This is the modern Kindle ebook format, Kindle Format 10. It has heavy DRM. You cannot read it on a PC unless you use the official Kindle for PC app. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the app. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your KFX file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. A KFX file is a Kindle Format 10 ebook file used by Amazon Kindle devices and applications. It is a more advanced format than ASW3, offering enhanced typography, image quality, and layout features. KFX files are typically DRM protected to prevent unauthorized copying and distribution. The KFX format utilizes a container structure that includes the book's content, metadata, and DRM information. It often employs enhanced typesetting features like hyphenation and kerning. Kindle devices and apps use proprietary algorithms to render KFX files, optimizing the reading experience. The KFX format has primary linkage to the Amazon Kindle application by Amazon. Windows cannot validate the meaning of the data, so incorrect edits can cause issues. Windows may show limited details, but full reading requires compatible ebook software. Let's make this simple. Right-click the KFX file and hit Open with. If Amazon Kindle is on your machine, test it immediately. If not, choose another program. It's a matter of finding the right decoder. If the KFX file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the KFX format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing this system error. First, use Kindle for PC Mac. Open the file using the Amazon Kindle for PC Mac application. Next, check DRM. If the book won't open, the file may have digital rights management, DRM protection. Ensure the viewing software is authorized with the correct credentials. Finally, check device sync. If the file is synced, check the Kindle account settings to ensure the file is correctly downloaded to the device app. Since thousands of developers share extension names, your KFX file may belong to a different program than the ones currently on your PC. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. FileMagick is your data safety net. It's uniquely capable of instantly viewing the actual contents of the KFX file, even when the archive is broken. Get this indispensable utility at filemagick.com. That's a wrap on this guide. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.